Hello everyone, welcome to All in AI. So let's discuss about one of the most viral topic on the internet, that is Nano Banana. So Nano Banana is the popular nickname for Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image. So this is the updated version of Gemini 2.5 Flash image. So it is an advanced AI powered tool. Mostly it is a diffusion model which is used for images. Diffusion model is nothing but which is used to generate images. So it has gone viral for its ability to transform any photo into a hyper realistic 3D figure in seconds with impressive detail and consistency is the main feature of this Nano Banana launched by the Google, updated by the Google. Formerly, it is a Gemini 2.5 Flash image version, updated it into Nano Banana. So this tool is free to use and available to anyone with internet access via the Gemini app or website, making advanced image editing and 3D rendering accessible to non-professionals also. Even if you don't know how to edit the image, with a simple prompt, you can able to edit the image by using this Google Gemini Nano Banana. So mainly it operates using simple natural language commands and does not require advanced editing skills. Users can simply upload a photo and describe the desired outcome. We'll see in coming steps how can we edit an image by using simple prompts. So this AI generates detailed and lifelike results, capturing nuances like facial expressions, clothing textures, and even background elements. So the final images often look like a professionally made collectibles. This is the main features of this Nano Banana. Even we can small things also you can generate with a high quality, like facial expressions, clothing textures, and background elements. So we can generate with a high quality elements by using Nano Banana. So users also can input a photo, a detailed text prompt, or a combination of both, create a wide variety of images. It can be used for things like, and also you can turning a person or pet into an action figure, placing a subject into a famous painting or a different time period. So we can generate a different type of images with a different time period, and also editing existing image with a remarkable appreciation. So if you have any old pictures, you can convert them into color pictures, like with high quality images, such as changing an object's color or adding new elements to the picture, and also maintaining character consistency across multiple images. So nowadays, the most difficult thing in all other diffusion models is the character consistency. Even when we are working with Midjourney, also that's not easy to generate images with a character consistency. But when it comes to Google Nano Banana, the character consistency with across multiple images is the one of the best feature of this Nano Banana, and also which is useful for things like comics or product photography. And also this tool is known for its speed with the results appearing within seconds of prompt being submitted. So these are the main features of a Nano Banana. So this Nano Banana really is the competitor of Adobe Photoshop. Does it really replace Adobe Photoshop to image editing? Let's do some practice with the Nano Banana. How it is working? How can we generate images? How can we edit images by using Google Nano Banana? This is the Google AI Studio. Here, the Nano Banana. Try with Nano Banana. Just ask something to generate an image, something like they generate an image of smiling dog on road. Generate an image smiling dog on road. Absolutely, here is an image of a smiling dog on the road. It is showing the time 8 seconds. See, it is simply generated a, so this is smiling dog image on the road, right? So if you want to change it into add background, add background image, add traffic to background. That's it, right? Simply add traffic to background. It's generating. Add traffic to background. Certainly, here's the image with some traffic added to the background. See, it just added few cars on the backside, but I want full traffic with people and vehicles. Generate image with full traffic and with people and vehicles in background. Let's see. Generate image full traffic and with people and vehicles in background. So simply with a simple prompts, you can generate high quality images. See, it's generating something like this, right? So make it into some like a YouTube thumbnail. Just change it into a YouTube thumbnail with a good prompt. Let me give a prompt to the image to generate a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, right? For a city vlogger. So this dog is a city vlogger. Highlight an urban lifestyle vibe with modern skyscrapers, bustling streets and colorful accents, and cinematic lighting, a slightly saturated look and bold contrast to grab attention. Keep the person in focus with a glowing outline or shadow pop effect. Let's ask to generate something like this. Enter. Basically, Nano Banana consistently outputs images in a square, right? 1:1 aspect ratio. Nano Banana consistently outputs images in a square 1:1 aspect ratio. See, this is the city, backgrounds with the city, right? According to our prompt, it's generated an image with a background city. Here's your image transformed into a vibrant YouTube thumbnail for a city vlogger. This is a thumbnail for a city vlogger highlighting an urban lifestyle with modern skyscrapers. But here the problem is the image not converted into YouTube thumbnail ratio, right? Even we mentioned for YouTube thumbnail, but it is generating with a same ratio. Let me ask to generate or convert above image into YouTube ratio approximately 16 is to 9, right? Convert. I think it won't do that, right? Google Gemini Flash image 2.5 also it won't convert image size, I think. Let's see. So we can edit the image, but we can't edit the ratio of the image with a Nano Banana. That is the problem with Nano Banana. We can't edit the ratio of the image. I must say it won't edit it won't convert the ratio of the image. That is the problem with Nano Banana, right? So we can edit the images, but see, same ratio, right? This is, I want a 16 is to 9 ratio, but it is generating with the same ratio. This is the problem with Nano Banana, right? We can edit the image, even small things also we can add, we can delete from the picture, but we can't convert the ratio of the image in the Nano Banana with the prompts, right? Same like this picture, I want to make this dog into something different. Like dress or something looking feel. I want to change it into something different. Let me ask with some different prompt, right? Let me ask something different prompt. I want to change the looking of this smiley dog, right? See, we found a problem which is we can't change the ratio of the image, right? With the prompt. So remaining everything is good. The quality of the image is too good. If you see the quality of the image, it is simply too good. When if you see the background buildings, so even small things also looks high quality. When you come with Dolly or some other AI tools, definitely we need to upscale these images by using other upscaling tools. But here it is generating high quality images, no need to go for upscaling, right? Somewhere here I'm getting, I'm finding some quality issues, but remaining thing is too good. The quality of the image is too good, no need to go for upscaling, right? But the problem with the Nano Banana is, but the problem with Nano Banana is we are unable to change it to different ratios. See, this is see something like this. In the prompt, it mentioned a person, so that's why it is generating with a person with a different dress. But now I don't want the person here. I want the dog which we generating from starting, right? Let me ask something like that. Let me here transform this normal photo into YouTube thumbnail of a city vlogger dressed in a futuristic style inspired outfit. This normal dog photo into a metallic shining and neon highlights keep the vlogger in focus with a glowing outline standing against a vibrant urban city background. Add cinematic lighting, slightly saturated colors, and a dynamic contrast to make it eye-catching for a thumbnail. Leave space on one side for bold text. Stick vlogger city dog vlogger mentioned dog, right? I don't want human, right? Enter. Basically, Nano Banana consistently outputs images in a square, like 1:1 aspect ratio. Look like a mix of astronaut here and rocky asteroid textures. So we use the word astronaut. That's why it is generating with a person, right? It's a little bit slow now, I think. Wait. Transform this normal dog photo into a YouTube thumbnail of a city dog vlogger dressed in a futuristic asteroid-inspired outfit. Made confused. Hey, see, here's your dog photo. It's see something like this. It is showing with a dog face, right? This is what we expected, right? See, but it is not mixed up well. The head is not mixed up well, right? It's look like a lion, not a dog. Let me ask to make it uh, body. Make it changes on head, fit on body. It not looking realistic, right? Make it changes on head, fit on body. It not looking realistic. This is not looking like a see natural. This is good. This is also good. The lighting, the background effect, everything is good. Let me see how it is generating the final image. So this is all about the Nano Banana developed recently updated version of Google Gemini Flash 2.5 image version. So people simply calling Nano Banana as a nickname, right? Still again, it is generating the same picture with small changes, right? Small changes. This is okay. So you can iterate with multiple prompts to make it better and better. You must need to iterate the image to get the final output, right? This is all about the Google Nano Banana updated version of Google Gemini 2.5 Flash image. We'll meet on next video. Thank you.